Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can test and fix your Shopify store speed. Now there are multiple ways you can test your Shopify store speed, and there are also multiple ways about how you can fix your Shopify store speed. Now first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click here on analytics here on the top, like in the left, and then you want to click on reports. Okay, so after, guys, you click on reports, then you want to scroll down a little bit and click on web performance. Now after that, here you will find here the loading speed. Now this new store doesn't have enough data. As you can see, there was no data font for this data range because I just created this new store, as you can see here. Now you just need to see here the loading page, and in here the visual stability, as you can see here. Now to speed up your Shopify store, there is an app that I tried myself that made a big difference. And but let me show you first what makes the Shopify store slow. Now most of the time the reason for that is because of the apps you have downloaded on your Shopify store. Now if there is an app that you think like slows down your Shopify speed, then you just need to uninstall it, and you can change it to another app that doesn't slow up your Shopify store. Okay, so the app I tried that really made a big difference in my store speed is I'm going to show you the app right now. Now the cart bot here, which is this app, is really okay, so what you guys need to do now is to search here. You want to go to settings, okay, and you want to click on apps and sales channels, and then you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right. Okay, you want to click on apps and sales channels, and then you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right. And after that, I'm going to show you guys the app that will help you, like that will speed up your loading speed. Now you just need to script or speed booster. Okay, now I'm going to show you the app right now. It's called Booster SEO Image Optimizer. I'm going to search right now. Yeah, this is the app. Okay, it's called the Booster Page Speed Optimizer. Just click on install the app. Okay, so don't worry, it's free. You don't really have to pay for anything. Now after that, you want to click on install, and after, guys, you click on install, then as you can see here, okay, so after you click on install, then what you guys need to do, you want to click on enable theme extension. Click on it. It will take you guys directly to your theme editor. Okay, so then you want to just toggle this on. Okay, as you can see, toggle it on, and then click on save in the top right. That's all you need to do, guys. Now you want to check the speed on your Shopify store. I'm going to check now. I'm going to click on this product. As you can see, it's very quick right now compared to a few seconds ago. The speed was slower. As you can see, I'm going to click on another one. As you can see, the speed has improved significantly, as you can see. So if this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll reply to every single comment. I tried a paid app and it's really useless. Okay, I tried it. I think the name of the app here, and it has like 1-star review. I didn't even check the reviews. That's why I paid for the app, because I thought it works. It it helps with the store speed, but it doesn't work. So hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. See you guys next video.